Facebook paragraph in 150 words for class 4 and 5 students. Facebook is more than just a website. It's a vast virtual world where people from walks of life cover us. Whether it's reconnecting with old friends, sharing life updates with family, or discovering new interests, Facebook offers a myriad of opportunities. By joining groups and following pages, users can delve into hobbies, explore diverse cultures, and engage in meaningful discussion. However, amid the sea of positivity, there are also waves of negativity. Cyberbullying and misinformation can tarnish the Facebook experience, reminding us of the importance of online etiquette and critical thinking. It's crucial to approach interaction with kindness and skepticism, ensuring a safer and more respectful online environment for all. In essence, Facebook is a reflection of the modern digital age, a place where connections are made, ideas are shared, and communities thrive. But with its power comes responsibility, reminding us to navigate its waters with caution and integrity.